I don't know how much gas is in either because the fuel gauge doesn't work.
Yeah, I know.
There might be no gas in it. Yeah, but once it's running, it should come up. Yeah. What's going on, fbody fans? So today might be the day we might fire up the Trans Am after the exhaust is pretty much done. Not 100%, but enough that we can try to fire it up. So we got a couple small things to do with the turbo, and you might just hear what this exhaust sounds like. Now I know a lot of you are thinking, what's taking so long? Keep in mind that with this car, this project, this isn't something that's being worked on every day, 8 hours a day. This is at a friend's shop who works on it 2-3 hours at a time, a couple days or nights a week. That's it. So I know it's been months, but this is something I'm now not trying to complete in such a rush like I was when I first started doing this build. So we have the Cali behind me, self covered up. And I still have to do the exhaust on it. I do have it, but time is just something I haven't had. But with that, let's head to the shop. Also want to say as well, happy 2026. It's officially here, and hopefully 2026 is even better than 2025, and we can do some more car content, get on the track, have some fun. So let's jump in the winter beater Subaru, head to the shop, and see if we can get this thing fired up today.
Before the water leaves, I'm gonna rinse it off. Definitely crazy looking.
That it is. The elephant trunk downpipe snaking its way through. Right there. It fits. Didn't want to, but it does now.
Yep. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like the tape a lot better. Is it bad that I'm slightly scared?
Nope.
Okay, not as scary as I thought it was gonna be.
No, don't touch. Don't touch.
That's hot.
You're like Calvin. You see it, you fucking touch it.
Dude, every time I weld something, so the thing was is, I thought that
Almost ready to crank it over. We gotta do the drain on the turbo, clock the turbo a little bit. I need to change the fitting on the bottom. You kind of see it there. It's just getting on top of the AC line. So I'm not gonna flow the greatest, but the rest is it's tight. It's tight.
we're getting there. We're gonna hear this thing.
So here's the making of the hood. Got the first two vents in. And now working on the sides. Gonna have them kind of come overlap a little bit. Put some holes. Do some body work and probably paint this all body color just to kind of make it stand out this much. It does look good. and then play with aligning the bumper, all that fun stuff. But we're super close. Super close. Well, here's the update now. Justin's back there working on the wastegate, fixing a couple things, but here's where it's going to kind of dump. So wastegate's going to sit right there, kind of just straight shot it. Get a V-band clamp on that. And then the exhaust is pretty much done. We might make a bottom bracket just past the downpipe to kind of support it up against the body, just so it doesn't move around too much. It's pretty solid, but just worried that it may make some contact in the transmission when you kind of like torque it up. Other than that, it's pretty much done. So cold side, just got to put these things back on and kind of bolt them down for good. On the turbo side, the piping, we just got to put a lip around on that guy so the coupler doesn't slip off, and I'll try to fire it back up.
There's no coolant in the rad too, so it
No,
might
no.
throw a bad reading.
No, it doesn't affect anything.
No?
No, I can't. I got no throttle pedal hooked up anyway, so I can't feather it.
Modulator, just a touch. Let it start first.
Yeah. That was me. Quieter than I expected. Well, as you can see, we're back at home, and the transom starts. It runs. It sounds really good. Open up the cutout. It sounds even better. I was expecting that 4-inch to be way louder than it was, and yeah, I think it'll be perfect. It will get the performance I want of it, and not drive everyone else crazy around me. And yeah, so now we gotta finish the smaller things: wastegate, the hood, the fixed door, a couple of miscellaneous stuff. But got the car back, and until spring, then we'll dive into the wiring and try to really figure out what happened there and make everything work. And then it's get it done, tuned, and see what we can make out of this thing. And hopefully, this motor surpasses what the previous one does. So that's our 2026 beginning of the month update, and hopefully updates will be coming sooner with more progress. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.